Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm going to be planting these barberry shrubs, and I'm here with my friend Vincent from Good Grub Almighty.
Oh yeah.
Today we're going to be planting these barberry shrubs in my front flower bed, and I didn't want anything that gets really tall in this area because I want to be able to see over it and see the rest of my yard. So these only get about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and I can keep them trimmed up. So let me go ahead and get you a little bit closer so you can see the plants, and then me and Vincent here are going to get these planted up.
Heck yeah.
All right, so these barberry shrubs I'm doing right off of my porch. So like I said, I don't want these to get very tall, so they get about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. So I'm going to plant them close together so that they create a hedge in this area. And then later on I'll probably plant something out in front of it.
Where did you happen to get these at, bub?
These I got at a local garden center called Southwood Landscape and Nursery.
They got good deals and a lot of variety?
Yes, and they have a lot of quality plants.
Would you recommend any other places for people to look for plants?
I go to Lowe's a lot, and Lowe's has a lot of good deals on clearance. I get a lot of my plants on clearance.
Oh, nice.
Now, as I've mentioned before in previous videos, I'm in a zone 7 growing zone. So these are definitely winter hardy. These get down to zone 4 through 8. So these will definitely do well in the winters in my area. So I'm not too worried about them at all. So now me and Vincent are going to go ahead and get these planted up, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so me and Vincent are out here, and my nieces, Ariana and Maddie, say hi.
Hi.
They decided that they want to come out here and help us. So they're going to plant all these up, and me and Vincent are just going to go sit down and hang out.
Have a cold soda.
Yep, so you guys have at it. Yeah,
Okay.
you guys have fun.
Okay. Alright, so I wanted to pause here and explain this. I've explained it a little bit before, but I just wanted to explain that I'm going to be using biotone in the hole that I'm going to be planting these in. What biotone does is it comes through and really helps the roots grow in strong, so that'll make a stronger plant. So I'm just going to be, for this size of plant, you want to use about a cup of biotone. So I don't really measure it out. This stuff is organic, so if you use a little bit too much, it's not that big of a deal. It's not going to burn your plant or anything like that. Now also with shrubs, when you're planting them, it's always a good idea to plant the top of the root ball up a little bit higher than the ground. That way the water will run off and not run into the crown of the plant and rot the plant out.
Do you break your roots up a little bit or no?
No, it's not necessary.
Oh, nice.
Unless the roots are completely, like, this is completely covered in roots and you can't even see soil, then I would go in and cut them out a little bit and break them up. But when they're like this, it's not necessary to break it all up.
Oh, nice. Learned something new today.
I think we picked the hottest.
The hottest day of the year to do this. And the hottest time, it's like what? 3, 4 o'clock.
This is full sun.
Oh, man.
That's right.
And typically, Bub, you wouldn't transplant in the middle of the day like this, would you?
No, not normally, but I'm going to water these in really good. Actually, it's really not a good idea in the heat of the summer to plant things, but I'm going to make sure to keep an eye on these and get consistent water, and these will do just fine.
Right, okay. Yeah, I had a lot of people comment in my stuff saying, you know, you shouldn't transplant in the heat of the day. And I'm like,
yeah, it's not normally that good of an idea, but as long as you're keeping an eye on it and giving it enough moisture, they'll do fine.
I just replied back. I was like, well, darling, it's the only time I had a chance to do it, so I did it.
Yep. Do it when you can do it.
Exactly.
All right, 1 down, 2 to go.
Nice, let's do it. Say hi, Ariana.
Hi.
Hi, all.
Say hi to Maddie.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm funny, just so you know.
You're funny.
Yes.
Funny looking.
Yeah.
Bub's dying over there, guys. Better smash that like button for him because to make it worth it.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, because he's out here killing himself to get this in for y'all.
Over here in my own yard.
Yeah, this is for y'all. This ain't for him.
No, absolutely not. None of this is for me.
Yeah.
Alright, so this last one, my niece just wanted to help. Ariana, Maddie. So right now what we got to do is move the rocks. So you guys move the rocks down. Now, one thing I wanted to explain, in the backyard, I was using some landscaping fabric under some mulch, but I'm not going to use that anymore. I did a whole area with just mulch, and it's keeping the weeds pretty much completely out. I don't have to pull weeds very much at all. The reason why I make sure to keep fabric underneath the rock like this is because rock won't keep the weeds out as good
as the mulch.
Yeah. So anywhere I have rock, I'm going to have landscaping fabric because I don't want to deal with all the weeds.
Well, I don't blame you. That's the worst part about gardening too.
Yes.
Is having to.
But if you mulch it up 2 to 3 inches high, you don't have to worry about it. Every once in a while you have to pull a weed, but
Totally worth it to go mulch, huh?
absolutely, yes. Now jump on it. Maddie, you want to jump on it?
No.
So Bub deliberately didn't put biotone in this one here so he could see the difference in them. He wanted to do a little experiment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to go with.
Yeah, that's why he
I
did.
didn't forget it all.
Yeah, that's why he did it.
Okay.
So I'll make sure to put it in here. Don't let me forget.
Yeah, don't forget.
Then I go with it.
Grandma, Papa, are you leaving?
Don't forget the biotone, Bub.
Yes.
2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Hey, Maddie.
And now we'll know
If it really works, if it's worth buying.
if it don't work, I ain't buying it.
Yeah, why buy it if it doesn't work?
No, I think it'll work.
It's hot, ain't it, Bub?
Bad. And not only is it hot, it's humid.
That's the worst part. It's like we're swimming in soup.
Yes. Okay, so now, let's water them in.
Water them in. I don't know. You gonna spray her with the hose?
Yep.
Uncle Corey's gonna get Ariana with the hose. Ariana!
Come here.
Got her!
That felt good.
I guarantee it felt good.
It did.
I bet it did. What are you guys doing after this, Bub? You gonna go hop in Mom's pool?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Now normally you're not going to want to water them this much, especially in this time of day, but I'm fixing to leave.
So you got no choice.
And when you first plant things, you want to make sure that you soak them in. And then after that, you want to water them every day for a while, probably for the first year, and then you can start cutting back on the water. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Vincent, thank you so much for coming out.
Thanks for inviting me.
Out.
I'll never turn down a meal.
Yeah, you need to come out more often. I've been here for 3 years and you've never been out here.
Never been invited.
Oh,
That's a good point, right?
all right, but anyway, Ariana, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave some comments. This guy loves comments.